Hello, my friend. How are you? I hope you are well. Today we are going to have a new lesson in our channel Teach Me Arabic. Today we are going to complete the Arabic alphabets. Arabic alphabets اللي هي الحروف الهجائية. As we said before, each language has letters. These letters we call alphabet. In lesson 1, lesson 2, and lesson 3, if you remember, we started with the first letters. As we said, Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za. This is we talk about. Today, quickly we are going to complete the rest of the letters. Look, after that we have today the letter Sin. Sin. If we look to write Sin like this, this is Sin. We have 3 lines. 3. We call Sin. This is the name of the sound, the name of the letter. Sin. But the sound is different. If you remember, when we say each letter has 3 sounds. If we put fatha, we call it sa. We say it sa, like sa. Sa. But if we put, as this is C, dhamma, we call it su. Su, like this. S-O. Su. Or S-U. But if we put kasra, this is C, we call it C. C, like this. As we read C, go back. You got Sa, Su, Si. Sa, Su, Si. The second letter is Sheen, like Seen. 3 letters, like this. But it has 3 dots. Sheen. It's called Sheen. But if we put fatha, we'll get sha. Sha. Like sh. If you remember. Sha. But this is Sheen. And if we put, we have 3 dots. And if we put dhamma, we got shu. Shu. This is letter. We what? Silima? We got she. Sha, shu, she. Sha, shu, she. Okay? The third letter is sad. Like this. This is, we call it sad. This is the name. But if we put fatha, we call it sa. 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 Okay? But again, this is, we have line. And if we put dhamma, we go su. Su. We go sa, su. But if we put kasra under the letter, we go si. Si. Sa, su, si. Sa, su, si. The fourth letter is dad. Like sound, but it has a dot. This is called dad. But the sound, if you put fatha, call it ba. Ba. This letter is the only letter that in Arabic, not in English. Not English. So we call Arabic. Arabic is ضاد. يعني اللغة العربية لغة الضاد. لغة الضاد. Why? Because this letter it is only found in Arabic, not in English or any other language. Okay? So ضا فتحة ضا. If we put ضمة ضو, we call it ضو. If we put kasra ضي, call it ضي. You got ba, do, di. Okay? After that, طاء. طاء. This is طاء. فتحة. ضمة. بو. دو. Okay. كسرة. طي. طا. بو. طي. طا. بو. طي. After that, صا. ضا. ضا. ظا. ظا. Like ضا, but we have dot. Has dot. فتحة. ظا. ظا. ضمة. زو. زو. كسرة. okay. زي. زي. ظا. زو. زي. ظا. زو. زي. After that, fa. Fa, like this. And we have one dot. Fa. No? Fa. The next letter is Ain. Ain, like this. C. And another C, but big letter. A. This one, Ain. But this is the name. But the sound, A. A. Okay? Dhamma, like this. Ru. Ru. Kasra. Ri. Ga. Ru. Ri. A. Ru. Ri. After that, Rain. Like Ain, but we have it has dot. Ra. Ra. If we have fatha, Ra. Dhamma. Ru. Ru. Kasra. Ri. Ri. Ra. Ru. Ri. Ra. Ru. Ri. After that, Fa. Fa, like this. And it has a dot. Fa. Fatha. Fa. Fa. Like F-A. Dhamma. Sorry. This is Fa. If we put Dhamma, Fu. Fu. Okay. Kasra. Like this. Fi. Fa. Fu. Fi. Fa. Fu. Fi. Second letter after that. Qaf. Like Fa. The same. But it has two dots. Here one dot. But here it has two dots. This is called Qaf. The name of the letter Qaf. But if we put Fatha, we will get Qaf. Qaf. But if we put Dhamma, Qu. Qa, Qu. And if we put Kasra, we put it Qi. Qi. Qa, Qu, Qi. Qa, Qu, Qi. Fa, Qaf, Kaf. Look at Kaf. Like this. This. What it? This is Kaf. Okay? Kaf. We call it Kaf. It has Fatha. Like this. What it? Dhamma. Ku. The Ka. Ku. Okay? Or Kasra. Qi. Ka. Ku. Ki. It is near Qaf. Here we go Qaf. Like that Ka. Qaf. Like that. But Ka. This is what is voiced. Voiced. But this is voiceless. Like voiced and voiceless. Qa. Like the Ka. Qu. Ku. Qi. Ki. Okay? Qaf. After Qaf, Lam. Like this. This is, we call it lamb. In Arabic, lamb. But the sound, if we put fatha, la, la. Okay? Like laban, milk. And if we put like this, dhamma, lu, lu. This is lu. And after that, kasra, li, li. And after lemon, like lemon, li. Okay? Li. Ta, ka, lam, mim. Look at mim, like this. They all, and we have like mim. This is the name. But if we put fatha, we get ma, ma, like ma, ma. But if we put, as this is ma, dhamma, mu, ma, mu, and kasra, like this, mi, ma, mu, mi, ma, mu, mi. After m, n, noon. Look at noon. If you remember, when we write this, when, like ba, ta, sa, okay? But noon, it has one dot inside. Ba, if you remember, under. Ta, inside, but two dots. Sa, inside, but three dots. Noon, it has one dot inside. This is called noon. But if you put fatha, we call it na, na, okay, like in the a, na. Right. This is called nu, nu, okay. This is ni, ni, na, nu, ni, na, nu, ni. After that, wow. Wow. This is wa. We call it wa. No, wa. Okay. After that, ha. Ha. Fatha. Ha. Dhamma. Like this. Who. Like this. He. Ha. Who. He. This is that. Ha. Wa. This is wa. Fatha. After that, dhamma, wu, kasra, we, ha, wa, wu, we. The last letter is ya, ya, like this, fatha, ya, dhamma, you, kasra, yi, okay? Ya, you, yi. Okay, by this we come to the end of the letters. This is all the letters, and next week or next lesson we are going to write words. From this letter we are going to make words, and how we can spell words, how to pronounce words in Arabic. Okay, thank you and goodbye.